QuickBooks Error 15106. 3 Quick Solutions. Solution 1. Sign in as admin and update QuickBooks. Step 1. First, close the QuickBooks. Step 2. Right-click on the QuickBooks icon and select Run as Administrator. Step 3. Select Yes to allow the program to make changes to your computer. Step 4. Now, open QuickBooks Desktop and go to Help. Step 5. Then select Update QuickBooks Desktop. Step 6. In the Overview tab, click on Update Now. Step 7. If you wish to turn on automatic updates, go to Options and select the Automatic Update option. Step 8. When you're ready, go to Update Now, click on Get Updates, and QuickBooks will start downloading updates. Step 9. Once the download is complete, QuickBooks will ask you to restart. Click OK on the pop-up. Solution 2. Stop antivirus and rename folder. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on the keyboard to open the Task Manager. Step 2. In the Processes tab, look for Antivirus.exe. Step 3. Right-click on the antivirus app and select the End task. Step 4. Once done, press the Windows plus E keys together to open the File Explorer. Step 5. Go to C:/Program Files /Intuit /QuickBooks, Year /Components. Step 6. Right-click on the Download BXX folder, then select Rename. Step 7. Add .old at the end of the folder. Step 8. Once done, open QuickBooks and try to update it. Solution 3. Disable User Account Control. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start button and search Control Panel. Step 2. Open Control Panel and click on User Account. Step 3. Then click on Change User Account Control Settings. Step 4. Now, move the slider to Never Notify and press OK to save the changes. Step 5. Restart the system. Step 6. Then try to update your QuickBooks desktop. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746900298 +44 800 0548 150.